Hello everyone, once again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. So here I am again with the 15-minute 25 question series, right? So we'll do set 3 today. We will do set 3 today. So very quickly, we will see through the solutions. First question right in front of you guys, which will solve. Sir, read the question first. Everybody. First question right in front of you guys. A three-digit number that is the smallest and divisible by 19 is 114. Okay. What is the largest three-digit number? Always check with options. Largest option is 998. Is it divisible? 195. No, sir, it's not divisible. So this is 95, 38. So this is divisible. So that's your answer. Option B. You see, the order I checked, biggest number, largest number, second largest, then I'll check. Wherever I'm getting it's divisible by 19, that's my answer. Very simple. Very simple stuff, sir. Next one, please. Acha, all these are 20-25 questions. Okay. Acha, 3.5, 8 and 3, 11. And this is 625, meaning 6.25. My answer will be 5.25, which is 21 by 4. Option C is the correct answer, sir. Option C is your correct answer. Again, couple of lines only. Couple of lines. Next one, sir. 0.03 whole cube, meaning 3 by 100. Whole cube, sir. This is a 2 by 1000 whole cube, sir, divided by, this is 3 by 10 whole cube, this is 2 by 100 whole cube, sir. So again, what I can see, this is nothing but from this, you take a 10 whole cube common, meaning 1 by 10 cube I'm taking common. So I'm having 3 by 3 cube by, sir, 100 from 110 gone, meaning 10 remaining 10 cube. This is 2 cube. Sir, from there, I got, sir, 10, meaning 100 cube it will be. You see, same is the denominator. It will cancel. My answer is this, meaning 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000, that means 0.001, sir. That's your answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A, sir, is the correct. Vinay, very good evening, brother. Very good evening. This is your correct answer. This type has been very common last year, okay? Again, a very simple question. You see, over here Q is 3, over here Q is 6, meaning you multiply this by 2. So P is to Q is to R will be 4 is to 6 is to, 5. This is PQR. Acha, R and S is also given. Okay. So do one thing. From here, R is 5, here R is 10, meaning you multiply this again by 2. So it will become 8, 12, 10 and 7. PQRS, sir. So they are asking P is to S will be, sir, 8 is to 7. 8 is to 7. Option A is the correct answer. 8 is to 7, meaning option number A is 100% your correct answer. Simple, sir. Next one, where is cut into three pieces in this ratio? Length of the longest piece is 80, meaning 8 parts is 40, meaning into 5 every part. They're asking total length of the wire. Total will be, sir, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15 into 5, 75 centimeter. Again, though for those who are thinking, I'll directly go by 15 multiple. Option C is 60. Option C is 60. That will hinder you from going like that. Next one, sir. 5 questions done. Worker C's average wage earnings over 4 days is this. Acha. This, sir, again. What did he earn? Acha. Sir, total will be how much, sir? Or you can go by normal. Sir, I'm going by deviation. First day, sir, he earned 22.5 less. Second day, sir, he earned 27.5 more. Why? I'm 220 minus this. Achha, sorry, 220 was there, na? My mistake, sir. 220 was there. 220 meaning, sir, minus 2.5 only. 2.5. Next day, sir, 220. And so this, again, I have taken 250. I don't know why. 230 is there. 30 meaning, sir, plus 7.5. Plus 7.5. Then, sir, 215. 215 is minus 7.5 from here. So next day, what will be the deviation? So deviation must match this, meaning his earning will be 222.5 plus 2.5, which is 225, sir. which will be 225, option number B. Again, I skip the calculation. Now, another way you can do, total you can figure out by multiplying 4 minus sum of all three days. So the remaining will be the answer. Next one, please, sir. Three pipes can fill in this, open together. Acha, sir. P, Q, R, very simple. Sir, it will be 15 into 24. Acha, I can cancel by 3. 3 fours of this, 3 fives of this, 3 eights of this. That will be easier, time ratio. 5 eights are 40, sir. Then, sir, 4 into 8, 32, sir. Then, sir, 5 into 4, 20. This is the efficiency ratio. 4 say 10, 4 eights of this, 4 fives of this. This is the efficiency. So, total volume by total efficiency, total volume will be, if I take P, P can fill 10 liters an hour, takes 12 hours to finish. So, this is total by their combined efficiency, 8 plus 13, 23, sir. Baapre, aisa, acha. So, that means 120 by 23, that is there in the option number C, sir. Option number C, it is there. Very simple, very, very simple. Next one, sir. A salary 25% more than B, B is 30% more than C. Write the ratio. C is 100, this is 130. Correct. B salary is 30% more than C. Achha, A is 25%, 1/4 of this. 1/4 of this meaning 65 by 2 more. So 130 plus 65 by 2. Let's do one thing, sir. Let's multiply everything by 2, sir. That will be better. 260 plus 65 here, 260 here, and so this will be 200 here. I don't want to calculate with fractions. So this is 325, 260, 200. 0, 0. अच्छा 0 तो नहीं जाएगा, sir. 5 से जाएगा. Or rather, do I need 5? No, I don't need to calculate. Find what percentage A salary is more than C. A salary is 125 more than C. So 125 more than C, meaning C is the base, 200, 100. So it will be 62.5%. 62.5, again option C is the correct answer. Option number C is your correct answer. Clear, everyone? Simple. Next one, MP given, discount given. Cost price given, acha, 6% discount, meaning 36 rupees discount on 600. So SP is, sir, 564 rupees, and, sir, CP is, sir, 542.31 rupees. By, sir, 542.31 into 100. Baapre, the calculation. Achha, here na, it's raining like crazy. So if something goes wrong with internet or electricity, please wait for a minute or so. I'll be back. 541, 41, 41, 9 is 50, 14, 9, 23, 23.69 out of 542.31 into 100, sir. Again, there is no point trying to calculate normally. Let's do something. Sir, 54,000, this 10% of this will be 5432.1. This is 10%. So 5% will be half of this, 2716 I'm taking. Is this less than that? 27, yes, sir, this is less than that. So 5% cannot be the answer, 6% also cannot be the answer. It is less than that. So, sir, 4%, so 1% will be how much? 1% will be 543.2. So this is 22 something. 22 something will be 1%. So this is 1% less. 23 this. So option B must be the answer, but the actual answer will be slightly greater than 4%. Slightly greater, but the Gopu, yes, good evening, brother. Good evening. So again, the nearest answer will be between 4 and 5%. Okay. Chalo, next one, sir. Wholesaler buys a ceiling fan, 40% of this. Base cost. Base cost, I'll not take 100A, I'm taking. Okay, 40% above meaning 140. I'll not take PP, will complicate my calculation. Last me will take C. 10% discount on the retailer. So 10% discount meaning, sir? So 14 rupees discount. So SP is 126A. Marks up, retailer marks up it by 20%. So 126A, markup by 26 meaning 120%, 6 by 5. Gives 1 by 6 discount, meaning 5 by 6 is this. The customer pays 864 rupees. Okay, sir, this cancels. So this is 63. This is, sir, 432. 777 नहीं जाएगा, 3 से 4, 3 to 5, 4, 9, 9 से जाएगा सर. 9, 4 9s are 36, 8 9s are this. So A is 48 by 7. But again, I need the value of P. P meaning I need 100A. So 100A will be 4800 by 7. So just less than 700. Just less than 700. Only this is the possible answer, sir. Right? Yes, Panmay, exactly this is the level, brother. These are all PYQs. These are all PYQs. I've taken questions from 2025 paper. These are exact questions. Next one, please, sir. Next one. A sum invested of 2700 invested 3 equal parts in this. Find the total interest earned in 1 year. Okay, 3 equal parts meaning 900 each part. Right? On this 900, 3%, 4%, 6%. Total I'll get how much? 437 plus 6, 13%. So my answer will be 13% of 900. 13% of 900 is 117 rupees. 39, sir. Option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely your correct answer. 90% of your paper will be like this. Couple of questions will be here and there. That's all. Next one, please, sir. When interest is compounded every 8 months, 12%. Effective interest rate per cycle for a 2-year period, and how many cycles? So this question, this type was repeated couple of times last year. You don't need any calculations. They're just asking the concept from here. 12% per annum. So 8 months will be 8. For 12 months, we get 12%. So for 8 months, we'll get 8%. So my answer is option A or C. Now, how many cycles? 8 months, 2 year meaning 24 months. So there will be 3 cycles. 3 8s are 24. So option A is the answer. Last year, there were a couple of repetitions of this very type. Okay. Next one, please. 2 runners this much apart run towards each other, meet in 75 seconds. Okay. One runner speed is 50 meter per minute faster than the runner Y. Okay, sir. So speed meaning X plus Y, speed, because they are running towards each other, so relative speed will be plus. This is going to be this. 1 second. Acha, 50 meter per minute, minute faster. Okay. So this is 2, sir. 2 meter per second. Please understand. Now meter per minute meaning, sir, 50 over 60 meter per second. So 5 by 6. So one runner speed, if Y speed is A, I take, X speed will be A plus 5 by 6. That is equal to 2, sir. So 2A will be 7 by 6 if I'm not wrong. A will be 7 by 12. Meter per minute, this meter per second, this one. Options are in meter per minute. So multiply by 12. Sorry, multiply by 60, sir. This will be meter per minute. 35 I'm getting as the answer. Achha, runner X they are asking. Runner X will be then, this is the value of A. So runner X will be, sir, A plus 5 by 6 or A plus 50 because I have converted to meter per minute. So that will be 85, sir. That will be 85, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B must be the answer. Good question, simple one. Simple yet good question. Next one, please, sir. Total, the average monthly salary of workers in a factory. Achha, department A has 30 workers averaging 54,000, department 42 this. Combined average, weighted average they are asking. So first things first, 6 7s are this, 6 5s are this. So 5 into 54,000, achha, I have to take, plus 7 into 61, 286. By, sir, 5 plus 7, 12. Now just wait for a second. Sir, I'll use some idea. 54 and 61, meaning gap of 7. Gap of 7,000. So 7,286. So the middle value will be plus half of this, meaning 36, 43. So 57, 36, 43. Sorry, 36. This is your average. If it was equal. But sir, it will be tilted slightly towards 61,000 because the weight is more here. 5 and 7, 7 is greater. So my answer will be slightly more than 57,000. But there are so many of the options. No sir, I cannot apply that shortcut. Okay, then let's do one thing. Cannot apply the shortcut. Options are like that. I am taking this as 300, okay? I am taking this as 300. My answer will be slightly lesser. चलो देखते हैं सर क्या कर सकते हैं. Cannot do much. 250 here. So 2,50,000, 5. Achha, 00 I'm cancelling for the time being. I'll add 00 at the end. So 550s are, sorry, 540s are 2,500 and sir 200. 2,700 here. 6 sevens are 42. Right? 7 13s are 91. 4291. एक second. 00. Yes, 4291. चलो ठीक है. So this is almost 4,300. 4,300 and 2,700. 43 and 27 is how much? 40 and 30. 77,000 by 12. 5 12s are 60. Sir, it will be 58, 5, but 58, 250 is also there. Baap re. Chalo, 5 12s are 60. 10, 100. This is 96. 50, sir, 5250 will be the answer. Because the answer will be slightly greater, this has to be the answer. This has to be the answer. Again, you see, it was between 58,500 and 58,250. So again, we just calculated, this comes out to be the answer. Next one, please, sir. A box has 120 pencils in red, this, ratio given. 30% of this, acha sir. How many pencils? Red, blue, and black. So 3, 4, 3. Total, sir, 10 parts. 10 parts is this, 1 part is 12. So 3, 36. This is 36. So this is 48. Correct? Total 120 pencils. 30% of the red. So 30% of red meaning 10.8. Huh. एक second, sir. So ठीक है, चलो, it will be a fraction. Technically, it should not be. This is 12 pencils, 25%, and 20% of black meaning, again, I'll get the same problem. 36 by 5. Acha, 36 by 5 is 7.2. These many pencils. So total is an integer again. So how many removed? 11 and 7. 18. 18 plus 2, so 30 pencils were removed here. Now, what is the total percentage of pencils removed? So 30 is what percentage of 120? Sir, 1/4 meaning 25%. 1/4 meaning option C, 25% is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Not difficult. Next one, quadratic. 5 root 5x plus 1 is this. Sir, first things first. So divide by x. So this is x plus 1 by x becomes 5 root 5. We have done this multiple times. Acha. But sir, there is a trick. This is minus, sir, not plus. This is minus, not plus. So first things first, I have to figure out, in order to go to cube, I need the exact thing. This one, sir. Right? So this will be this thing square. Meaning 25 and 5, 125. Minus 4, sir. Correct? So it will be 121. So ये तो बहुत बड़ा आएगा. अच्छा, sorry, square root. देखा मैं भूल गया. No. It's 11, sir. So x cube, this will be p cube plus 3p. So 11 cube plus 3 into 11. So again 1331 and 33, sir. 6413. 1364 is the answer. Option number A once again. Option number A once again is your correct answer, sir. Not difficult. Not difficult at all, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? 16th question is also done and dusted. Next one, please. Again, cube. Sir, again I told you, we only know a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice of ABC formula. This is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 of AB plus BC plus C. This is the formula that we know. This is the formula. Now, what is not known or what is given? So, this is known. This part is known, sir. This part is known. No, not known is this part. So, chalo ye figure out karte. So, this will figure out by squaring this. If you square this, so this will be a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of AB plus BC plus C. That is equal to 4. This value is known to us as -1. This one. So a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 is this, so this is 6. Done. So again, if I put the values here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, meaning minus minus plus this one. This is equal to a plus b plus c is 2, sir, into a square plus b square plus c square is 6 minus ab plus bc plus c is this, so minus minus plus 1. So this is going to be 14 minus 120, which will be minus 116. Sorry, minus 106. Sir, option number C, minus 106 is there. That has to be your correct answer. That has to be your correct answer, sir. Next one, 3p, this given, sir, you can figure out, try to put values and check, but again, I'll say do it faster. 3p plus 5m you figure out. That will be, sir, 3p minus 5m whole square plus 4 into 3p into 5m. So 3p minus 5m is 5. 5 square 25 plus 4 5s are 20, 60 into pm. pm is 6, sir. So this is 360, 385, sir. Right? This is square, sir. Bapre, acha. So this one I can write as 3p plus 5m into 3p minus 5m. 3p plus 5m is 5 into, set, this will be square is this, so this will be root 385. So option number A itself is your correct answer. Option number A itself is 100% your correct answers. Very simple stuff. Next one, cos A is given. This is A, this is 3, this is 5, then this is 4 automatically. This is automatically 4. Cosec will be, sir, 5 over 4 whole square, meaning 25 over 16. Sir, option C is the answer. Option C 100% is your correct answer. Simple. Next one, sir. Sine given this. Just sine square A plus this is 1, sir. This is given as y. Acha, chalo. Square it, sir. If you square it, you will get that. Okay, 1 second. So sorry. I don't need to do anything. Sir, please understand this is sine A plus cos A whole square. देखो मैंने देखा नहीं है. So if this is y, sir, this will be y square. Done. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer, sir. Very simple stuff. Next one, sin x equal to 3 cos x. So they are asking you this. To the power 4. Chalo, dekhte hain, sir. This implies tan x equal to 3. So if this is x, this is 3, this is 1, this will be, sir, root 10. So sine will be 3 by root 10 whole to the power 4 plus cos will be, sir, 1 by root 10 whole to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 will be 81 by 100 plus 1 by 100. So 41 by 50 is the correct answer, sir. Option number B. Option number B is your correct answer. Done, 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 done. Clear, sir? Simple question. Simple one, sir. Next one, external point, two tangents XP. Okay. Huh. Acha, XP and XQ. Okay, let's see what they are saying. There is a circle given. Okay. And there is a triangle. Acha. I'm just trying something else, huh? Let's see. XP and XQ are drawn. So I'm just drawing it something like this. This is a tangent and this is a tangent. This is X, sir. P, X, Q. This must be R. Acha. P, X, Q is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. Acha. P, O, Q they are asking. Acha. This is not a very difficult question given like a very weird way. Actually, the diagram is very simple. Right? Acha. Sir, first things first. Think of this. Sorry. Think of this. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Take P, O, Q, X. 90, 90, 180 gone. So these two sum must be 180. If this is 50, said this is directly 130. Directly you can say option C, 130 degree is your correct answer. The diagram was given in a very weird way. That's why it was a little tricky. Next one, sir. In a circle chord of length, this distance, this second chord is this. What is the length of the second chord? Chalo dekhte hain, sir. There is a chord here which is 6 centimeters. And there is another chord here which is 4 centimeters. Right? Acha, sorry, a chord of length 16 is distance. Acha, sorry. This is 16. So this is 8 centimeter half. This is at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center. Okay. This is 6 centimeter, this much. Now this length is, a second chord is 4 centimeter from the center. Okay, so sorry, sir. This is not 6 then. I'll take it in a different way. Arey, sir. Sorry. I've drawn or marked the chords in the opposite manner. My mistake, sir. So sorry. So these are the chords. Okay. So the smaller chord is 6 centimeter from the center. So this is, the whole thing is 6, sir. This is 8. So this radius must be 10. Now they are asking, sir, what about the smaller chord? This is 4 given. The second chord is 4 centimeter from the center. This is 10. So this length they are asking, sir, chord length. So this will be root over of 10 square minus 4 square. Right? This is root over of 16, meaning 84, sir. 4, 2 root 21. This is half of it. So the total chord length will be 2 times of this because the whole will be twice. So 4 root 21 will be the correct answer. Option C once again. Option C once again, sir. Again, not a very difficult question, but a standard one. Hemisphere, a cone and a cylinder have the same base radius and equal heights. Sir, so R, H, everything is same. Height is equal to R given. So this will be 4/3 pi because Q will cancel. So then a cone will be 1/3 pi and cylinder will be only pi. 3 से multiply 4:1:3 will be the answer. Sir, option में तो गड़बड़ है. अच्छा, sorry, hemisphere was given. So sorry. Hemisphere meaning 2/3. So 2:1:3. Sir, option A itself is the correct answer. Option A itself is the correct answer, sir. Last question, sir. Equation of line passing through this and slope is this. A point slope form you use. Y minus 4, x minus 3 is equal to 2. So y equal to 2x minus 6 plus 4 meaning minus 2. Sir, y equal to 2x minus 2, y equal to 2x minus 2. Option B is the answer. Option B, 100% is your correct answer. Very, very simple stuff. Achha, before I go, I want to just discuss a couple of things with you guys. Again, you see, I don't know whether you have seen, this is the improved and new, more user-friendly layout of our website. Okay. Now, if you want to practice questions, just go into courses section and go into something called SSC Super Practice. Go into this, you will find for every subject, sorry, there are hundreds of, every unit section you take, you can like give tests. Not only one test, let's say average or maybe profit loss. So you see there are 7 level of tests, 1, 2, 3, past year questions, most repetitive questions, speed improvement question, revision. Let's say you want to revise this. So just go into this, you will get 20 questions to revise only from that topic. So this is a handy feature, very useful, which you can definitely use for your preparation. That will be very handy. 1 month. What will be the best way to prepare? Practice, 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 and practice. The best way to prepare will be go through the concepts, like you divide your day in 2 parts. First part you go through or the first half of the day you go through the concepts. Second half you only give 2 mocks. Now, in the first half, when you are going through the concepts, along with that, you will practice on that concept, meaning that is topic-wise preparation. And second half will be only mock-wise preparation. You will do the mock, you will analyze, and that is the way you will move forward. Right? Start giving like at least 1 mock a day, like an antibiotic. Like an antibiotic course, always start doing that. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining. I will again see you guys on Monday with the mock analysis. Till then, please take care and do take the live mock, which we'll discuss on Monday. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye, everybody.